Hi and welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I've got an unboxing today to share with you. This one is from Newhomy. So I think we'll start with the smaller ones of the diamond paintings, just because they're easier to move out the way in between. But this first one is a special diamond painting. It's down as a 30 by 40. Let me get in it. So it's down as a 30 by 40. And I just thought it was funky. I do like ones that are funky. Oh, this has quite a big border. So we'll see what size this painting actually is. But I could see this one being put up in a potting shed. I don't have a potting shed, but I could see it being put up in a potting shed. The actual sort of picture area is only 23, so this is a very big border. 23 by about 33. So for a frame you do need quite a bit smaller, but it's fun. You can still see the image clearly, so that's fine. So we do have a toolkit, boat wax pen and some baggies, though they're sort of rolled up. But then to have a look at the diamonds, so there are 17 different diamonds and it is a special one. So of the standard we do get some that are just black, but then we get a couple of different shades of blue, some red and pink, a couple of different shades of green, pale pink, and then sort of a coppery orange, purple, yellow, and then we get bigger ones that aren't actually quite silver. They're a very, very pale green, I'd say. Then we get some gold and some silver in the petal shape. And then for extras, we do have a couple of very big red ones. We have some bigger teardrops in red. And then we have some teardrops in turquoise, which are quite nice. They tend to go around some of the flowers. So yeah, I thought that one was just a bit of fun. And yeah, just the image caught my eye, which quite often is what makes me add it to the basket anyway, is if the image catches my eye. So that's number one. Let's bob that to the side and get in the next sort of smallish one. Get my scissors in the jiffy bag, because they do all tend to come in a jiffy bag. This one, oh, this one's got a big border as well. So this one is just a diamond painting, just like all round diamonds. It is round. The canvas is nice and thick, so I think it's going to have a bit of fun with me to flatten down. And when you look at it close, you can't really see the picture. Well, you can tell they're balloons, but when you look at it close, it doesn't have much definition. It does look better when it's further away, but it's quite a bit smaller than I thought. So what size does this one actually measure? So this one is just under 33 by just under 23. So we are losing 7 centimetres off each side for the border, which is a bit extreme, but we do get boat wax pen. You can still make out what the image is, so you haven't got that disappointment. But there's a lot of wasted space that could have had diamonds on it. We don't have DMC numbers with this one, so it just gives us 1 to 15. Very simple symbols, 1 to 9. Has it got all of them? Yeah, 1 to 9, and then we've got A, B, C, D, E, F. So very simple symbols. And these are the colours. So we've got some blues and greys. We've got some really nice bright colours in these. Orange, pink, white, blues, red. Looks like that could be 823 maybe. I don't know, it's a dark blue, I can't remember if it's 823. I don't think it's 939 though, it's not dark enough. Then we've got some brown and some yellow. But these would need sort of matching up because, as I say, these don't have DMC numbers, which is a bit unfortunate, but you never know what you're going to get, and the prices are good, so it's not as much of a hardship when the price is right. Okay, this one is quite thick. I've got a feeling this one's going to be long, but it is the next size painting, so let's have a look. If need be, I'm just going to have to put it on my floor in between. So this one, and I can't remember what this one is yet either. Oh, this is another good doorway picture though. Oh, yes, it was just the sunscape. I just liked it. It's sort of, it's something and it's nothing. It's got a bit of impact. It's just the scenery. And it's quite a nice fun size to do. So it's a 90 by 30. I think these look really nice above doorways. You know, if you've maybe got that space that just needs something, these long thin ones are quite nice for that, and I think it will be quite striking above a doorway. What size is it really? The border doesn't look as big on this one, it looks more like normal size, or normal poured glue canvas size anyway. So yeah, so it's just over 85 by just over 25, so it is only a 5 centimetre border, or 2.5 centimetres each side, which is good. We do have boat wax pen. Actually, we can see the colours quite well here without me pulling them all out, but we have lots of greens and blues, olive green, orange, some nice pinks, more yellows and oranges and blues. So quite a nice bit of shade in there. We have 24 colours, and we do have DMC numbers on this one. So we do get 24 colours, does give us the DMC number for each. Symbols look clear. They do use white on black as well as black on white. So on those darker colours they use a white symbol, and on the lighter ones they use a black symbol. So yeah, just a little bit different, that one. It's sort of got something, but it's not got something. I think it'd look nice above, I say, above a doorway, or you know, that sort of awkward space that needs something long and thinner. And then last but by no means least, we have a bigger one. Ah, London Bridge. So this one is a square. Yes, it is a square. So this has 23 colours. It does have all the DMC codes. So we do have DMC colours for this one. These sort of up here, you see where it looks a little bit dark and a bit here. They look a bit off in regards to when you're looking at the picture, not yet diamond painted. However, I think they've been done to help the colours to stand out. So yeah, 5, one of them is 310 and the other one is 939. So they will actually look darker and blend in from dark blue to black as you do the painting. So they can be a little bit off-putting, especially up here. It can look a little bit off-putting when you first get the picture, but it won't stay like that once you've put the diamonds down. And, oh, look at that. They come in baggies, so they're easy to see. So we've got blues all the way through to greens, purples, and then we do have the black. And as I say, this is a square one. It's 40 by 50. That actually becomes a 44 by 34. So we do have a bigger border on that one, but I like it. I think you can make out what it is, and I think it's one of those that when you've done it, it will look even clearer just because of the way the symbols are coloured, especially the black and the dark blue. So we have Tower Bridge, we have hot air balloons, a funky boot, and then last but no means least, the one I tucked over in the corner, the sunset. So thank you so much to Newhomy for sending me these. I will pop the links down below in case any of them do spark your interest. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.